on RidderStrijd, I think it's called, which I think is a translation of night story tale. Anyway, I apologise if it's not. Just let us know in the comments what it is. But this is neat to see you looking around. It looks absolutely fantastic, doesn't it? So yeah, got to be excited for this. First ride of the day. Beautiful day today. It's chilly, but blue skies. It's absolutely beautiful. Take us approximately 10 minutes to get on there. I think there's only 2 cars going around at a time, so I don't think it's the busiest of parks this, but it's a nice small family park. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah. Woohoo! We're gonna try. Oh, bit of trim there, bit of trim. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. There's the Vekoma looping coaster there. Oh, we're gonna get. Woo! Woohoo!
Oh no!
Oh, here we go. Big drop. Woohoo! Oh, we're gonna get some spinning action here. Oh, hello. That was a strong trim there.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, here we go. We're getting the spin now. It's not quite on the levels of rock and roller, but it's pretty cool. Whoa! Here we go! Hey! Woohoo!
We're gonna have a little drop after this.
Yeah, we've got another little drop here. Get some more spin. Just to finish it off. There we go, that's the end of the ride. Oh, what do you think, Cass?
I love it.
Is that good fun?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.